Hello guys, I'm back again to my YouTube channel called Khan Academy. I'm Chaimi. Subscribe, share and comment on this video as well. Now I have come back with PLE examination. Those who are students in P6, so they can get ready for national exam soon in July. So here are the questions, and then after I will show you the answers as well. So as you see, the copy of national exams comprises different sections, and commonly the first section, which is section A, have the comprehension texts that you are asked to read, and then you answer the question. As you see, the title of this comprehension is read the passage below and then answer the questions. Yes. So as you see here, there's the questions have been asked on this comprehension. And then the answers are here. On question number 2 has full sentence answers. As you see, there is A, B, its respective answers. Here is section B, vocabulary. And then the respective answers are here for section B. Here there is section C. And then the questions, then the answers are here down on section C. And then here we have section D about composition. In a note more than 150 words to discuss the characteristics of good friends. And here there is the answer as it is formatted as well. So, and in required words. So thank you guys for watching this video. I make it short so that it can be easy for you to watch and then to download it. I would like to request you, if you can refer this video to your fellow, you can do it, and then don't forget to subscribe, and also to request the copy you need. So guys, see you, and then I wish you the success on your examinations.